Hey, what's going on, Fragrance family? It's your boy Zeus Giovanni, aka the Fragrance Aficionado, and I'm back today with an OG favorite with a little bit of a twist. Tom Ford's Neroli Portofino Acqua. This here is one of my go-to summer scents that I always turn to every summer. I've been wearing this probably for about, I want to say 4 years. And this and God of Fire are like my two favorite summer scents. I can't begin to tell you how many compliments I get from this. You know, Tom Ford, they don't give you a lot of juice, 50 mils, but it's, when you spray it, you know. Let's get to it. Oh man, so heavy on that Bergamot and Neroli, like it's so prominent right in that first spray. It's like a burst, you know? Tom Ford is known for having really good clones. Like almost all of them are performers. I don't think I have any of them in my collection that don't perform. Again, let's get to this note breakdown. Your top notes, you got bergamot, lemon, and petitgrain. That provides a fresh citrusy opening, which I had just said. Your middle notes are Neroli, which is the star of the show, and orange blossom. And that adds a floral sweetness, a little bit of depth to the fragrance, you know? And your base notes are amberwood and white musk. And you know what that usually does, right? That creates a warm, woody, and slightly musky base to it. So with that being said, you get your nice, fresh burst of citruses on top with that sweetness of the neroli and the bergamot. And then when you get a little bit of the dry down, it starts to get more masculine, but you still have that neroli. It never disappears. Literally one of my favorites of all time for the summer. I recommend you get it for your collection. Even if you find a dupe of it, you'll probably be happy with it. I can imagine, being this is so much older, someone's probably got it perfected by now. I remember getting one from, I can't remember the name of the place, but it almost looked like a Louis Vuitton bottle. It was blue or bluish green, and it was called Neroli something. And it was almost spot on for Neroli Portofino, not the Aqua. Anyway, please hit that notification bell, subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button, smash that share, and send it to everybody you know. And until then, my friends, stay fragrant, stay fresh, and stay blessed.